Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is your Barker 007. This is a quick tutorial on how to use the clips feature in YouTube. Now this feature allows you to save up to 5 to 60 seconds of a video, and you could share that as a clip and all of that. So let me not rumble on and let's get into it. So once we have a video here, as you can see, we have this video. We have quite a few options here. We could like, dislike, and all of that. Now we would want to look for the icon with the scissors, and as you can see, we have it right there. Now this is something you could enable or disable in your YouTube settings. So if you wanted to enable or disable this clip feature, you could do that. However, this feature, let me click on it, and as you can see, we have 15 seconds selected. We could select up to 60 seconds of this video and give it a title. So let's say interesting part, and that is basically the title of the clip. Now let's move it down to, let's say, 28 seconds. Now what you could do with this is, as you can see, what's a clip? A clip is a short looped part of a video or live stream. It's like a GIF with sound. So if you want to create your own clips, watch any video and allows you to clip, then tap on the clip button below. Clips create are showed in your library. So let's share this clip, and as you can see, we have quite a few options which we could share it. So now let me show you where clips are. So from the home page of your YouTube, you need to go to library, which is the button here at the bottom. You need to click on your clips, and as you can see, I took a clip of this video 15 seconds ago. So the clip is 29 seconds long, and if I should click on it, it will go back to that video and it will play that, well, it will loop that part of the video for us. So that is how you use the clipping feature in YouTube, and you could also share the clip or watch the full video from here. And this is an interesting feature to use in YouTube. So let's say you wanted to share an interesting part of your video, you could simply select a 10-second portion, share that all over social media, and then once they click on that link, it will automatically bring them to YouTube, and they could choose to watch the entire video or just watch the clip. So I hope this was useful, guys. Let me delete this clip, delete forever. I hope this was useful. If you did not know about this feature, well, there you go. That is how you'd use the YouTube clips feature. So thank you guys for